Wednesday, June 15th, and we are at a place called Los Gigantes or something like that. Los
Gigantes.
Gigantes.
The giants.
And as you can see, this is the reason why. This island has so many different parts, and we keep kind of saying, oh, this reminds me of, but there's so many different parts of this island that remind us of different places, but nothing like all that nowhere, we haven't been anywhere that has had all of it in one place. This reminds us of the Nepali coast. It's a beautiful island, and as you can see behind me, you can actually see that we are in the Canary Islands. It's funny because for 2 days we drove and we couldn't see that island, and yesterday we were driving back and we're like, whoa, what's that? How did they put that there? But just a little bit of haze and you couldn't even see. But today it's absolutely clear, and you can see that you are amongst islands here in the Canary Islands. And Tenerife is the biggest one, and we saw yesterday why. It's absolutely huge. Not so much the island is huge, but there's so many people. We went into Santa Cruz, and it's huge. It's a very big city and very, very, very busy. So this is more our speed. Nobody around, easy to park, easy to walk. It's awesome.